I've been exploring Addepar recently, and in this video, I'm giving you my honest and unbiased review of how it performs as an investing platform in 2025. If you're considering this platform for managing wealth or working with high net worth portfolios, stick around. This one's for you. So what exactly is Addepar? Addepar is a high-end investment management platform designed for financial advisors, family offices, and institutions. It's built to handle complex portfolios, offering deep insights, real-time data aggregation, and custom reporting features. Here's what stands out to me. It gives you a complete view of assets, pulling in data from multiple custodians, banks, and investment accounts. The analytics and performance tracking are top tier, letting advisors run in-depth scenarios and stress tests. It supports alternative investments, which is a big plus if you're managing things like real estate, hedge funds, or private equity. And it's designed to scale, meaning whether you're managing millions or billions, the platform can handle it. Now, a few things to keep in mind. This isn't really for the everyday DIY investor. It's built more for professionals managing large portfolios. There's a learning curve. The tools are powerful, but you'll need time or training to unlock everything it offers. And setup can be time-consuming, especially when it comes to integrating data sources or aligning legacy systems. So, is it worth it? If you're a financial advisor or part of a firm managing significant wealth, Addepar is an incredibly powerful platform. It brings precision and control to complex portfolios. But if you're just looking for a simple robo-advisor to manage your personal investments, this probably isn't the tool for you. If this review helped, hit that heart icon to give a super thanks. And don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward and honest reviews. Catch you in the next one.